In today's video, we will explore the top 5 jet fighter manufacturing companies in the world. These companies have revolutionized the field of aviation with their advanced technologies and impressive aircraft. So, let's dive in. Our first company is Lockheed Martin Corporation. With a rich legacy of innovation, Lockheed Martin has produced remarkable fighter jets like the F-35 Lightning II and the F-22 Raptor. These cutting-edge aircraft combine stealth, speed, and agility, making them formidable assets in any combat scenario. D. Tyklet is head of Lockheed Martin Corporation. The headquarters of Lockheed Martin Corporation in Bethesda, Maryland, 20,817 USA, and annual sales of this company is $67.39 billion. Next up is Boeing, an American aerospace giant known for its excellence in engineering. Boeing's fighter jets, including the F/A-18 Super Hornet and the EA-18G Growler, are renowned for their versatility and adaptability. These aircraft excel in air-to-air combat and provide critical support to ground forces during missions. The headquarters of Boeing Corporation is in Crystal City, Arlington, Virginia. The head of Boeing Corporation is Dave Calhoun, and the annual sales of Boeing Corporation is $73.60 billion. Moving across the Atlantic, we come to Airbus Defence and Space. Airbus Defence and Space has made a significant impact with its Eurofighter Typhoon. This agile and powerful multi-role fighter jet has been a cornerstone of European air superiority, showcasing exceptional performance and advanced avionics. The headquarters of Airbus Defence and Space is in Ammenstadt am Bodensee, Claude Dornierstrasse, Germany. The head of Airbus Defence and Space is Michael Schulhorn, and the annual sales of Airbus Defence and Space is $61.913 billion. Our next contender is Sukhoi Company, part of the United Aircraft Corporation, representing Russia's contribution to fighter jet manufacturing. Sukhoi is known for its powerful and agile fighter jets like the Su-35 and the Su-57. These aircraft exhibit superior maneuverability and advanced weapon systems, making them a force to be reckoned with on the global stage. The headquarters of Sukhoi Company is in Begovoy District, Northern Administrative Okrug, Moscow. The head of Sukhoi Company is Pavel Sukhoi, founder, Yuri Slyasar, president of the UAC, Igor Y. Ozer, general director, and annual sales of this company is $33 million. Last but not least, we have Saab AB, a Swedish aerospace and defense company. Saab's Gripen fighter jet has earned a reputation for its exceptional performance and cost-effectiveness. The Gripen's advanced technology, combined with its ease of maintenance and operation, has made it a popular choice for several nations. The headquarters of Saab AB company is in Stockholm, Sweden. The head of Saab AB company is Marcus Wallenberg, and the annual sales is $2.283 billion. These 5 companies, Lockheed Martin Corporation, Boeing, Airbus Defence and Space, Sukhoi Company, and Saab AB, have consistently pushed the boundaries of fighter jet manufacturing. Through their innovative designs and cutting-edge technologies, they have elevated the capabilities of modern air forces worldwide. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, fly safe and take care.